Hi everybody, Amber with Healthymale, and today we are on the beach doing a workout that you can do anywhere, just with using some bands and some ankle weights. Today Lauren is joining us, say hi, and she's okay with being on film. We are going to move her into a tabletop with an abduction, and I'm going to be doing a weighted ankle leg extension. Here we go. We're going to be doing 15 repetitions, 15 on each side or 15 total. 30 for me. Now I'm going to move into a bridge with an abduction, straight leg. We're going to see if I can do it. A side bridge with an abduction. Lauren is moving into a straight leg, banded seated row. My hand is down in front of me for assistance. If you're strong enough to do your abduction without assistance, go ahead. Nice job. And then you'll repeat those two exercises back to back for 3 sets. Okay everybody, now we have switched exercise equipment, which means she's going to be doing the weighted ankle leg extensions. I'll be doing the tabletop and hip abductions. Here we go. Still same rep count, 15. The lying side hip abductions now. We decided instead of doing it in a side plank that we're going to just lay down and really fully concentrate on the glutes here. So she's actually doing a modified version of what I did. Slouch forward or lean back. You want to make sure we're putting all of that tension in the back, in our shoulder blades, and not in our traps. Lauren's laying down, her leg is straight. She's squeezing in her glutes as she rises up with that ankle width. And then you repeat for 3 sets. That's good. Yeah. Okay, everybody, I have 5 exercises I'm going to show you now. I'm going to do first a low squat to a back stepping lunge to a thrust. I'm going to do standing core for you, squat kicks. Here we go. Okay, back stepping lunge to a kick. Other side, I'm going to show you a jump lunge exchange to a kick. Okay, everybody, now we have another set of exercises we're going to show you. Once again, using the bands as resistance. Lauren is going to be doing fire hydrant to a glute kick. I'm going to be doing a tricep extension to a kneeling overhead press. Here we go. 15 repetitions for everything.